Looking for reliable suspension components? Discover high-quality suspension control arms from Ningbo GSK Automobile Parts. Our aluminum car control arms are designed for strength, durability, and reliable vehicle performance. Manufactured for demanding automotive applications. For performance-focused applications, check out our sport upper control arms, built for precise handling and dependable performance. Beyond suspension parts, we also provide aluminum engine coolant crossover pipes, engineered for long-lasting performance and efficient cooling. Our range includes front-lower control arms, offering dependable fitment and strong performance for various vehicle models. Need specific applications? Ningbo GSK supplies right lower control arms and many other replacement components for different automotive requirements. From everyday replacement parts to specialized applications, our front suspension lower control arms are supplied with quality and consistency in mind. We also offer aluminum front outer tie rod ends, along with a wide selection of steering and suspension components. At Ningbo GSK Automobile Parts Company Limited, we supply all kinds of automobile parts to customers worldwide. From suspension and steering components to engine, cooling, and other automotive parts, Ningbo GSK is your reliable source for quality auto parts. Contact Ningbo GSK today, and let's build a long-term business partnership.